Hello, my name is Ivan Martinez and I am a My Brother's Keeper peer advocate for LA County Library. Today we will be covering how to create a beautiful succulent planter. The materials we will need are container, sand, rocks, potting soil, and our succulents. We will mix in rocks to create larger pores that help with drainage, and the potting soil will retain some nutrients. Make sure your container has holes at the bottom to allow water to drain out, and ensure that it is clean to reduce the risk of pests. Mix in the sand, rocks, and potting soil. Succulents like to have nice drainage, which is why we will mostly be using sand for our medium. Before removing the plants from their current containers, you can move them around to get an idea of how you want to place them. Once you have decided, we can go ahead and start planting them. Try to avoid transplanting during windy days or in direct sunlight, as this can damage the roots. Remove the succulent and lightly press on the root ball to loosen up the soil, which will encourage roots to grow in an outward pattern. If your plant is root bound, or the roots are starting to grow in a circular manner, you might need to trim them so that the new roots will grow outward and allow the plant to thrive. Now place the succulent in a new container and repeat the process with the rest of your plants. We then fill in the rest of the container with our soil medium, making sure that we allow the base of the plant to line up with the soil line. If we plant it too deep, the plant might rot, and if we plant it too high, then the roots might dry out. Now water the container. This will allow the soil medium to settle and help us to see if we need to add any more. It also creates a nice environment for our plants to start growing. And ta-da! You've just created your own succulent planter. I hope you enjoyed this little project, and if you're interested in more gardening ideas, be sure to check out our resources on Hoopla at lacountylibrary.org. 2 ebooks that I recommend are Designing with Succulents and A Beginner's Guide to Succulent Gardening. Click on the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Have a great day!